What's up traders, today I'm with a new short breakdown of our recent gold trade which gave us a total of 100 pips. As you can see, this long bearish move, it actually took out sell side liquidities from previous structures. So we can see an order block here, and just before tapping our order block, price engineered this nice equal lows. Okay, and if you notice that price actually broke internal structures and price had engineered equal highs, trend line liquidities, and if we just draw the Fibonacci level, price actually rejected from this 88 level, which is a major confluence for taking trades, right? So we knew that price was going to go up, so as the moment we saw this rejection, we took our entry and put our SL just below the wick, and we targeted the highs. Let's see how did this trade go. Boom. So that's it guys, this particular trade brought us a total of 100 pips and a risk to reward of 1:4. That's it guys, see you next week.